have Samsung Galaxy J3 Prime, and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Find and select the apps icon, choose settings, scroll down and choose general management. Now select reset and choose reset network settings. So this will reset all network settings, including the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. If you are aware of this, let's choose reset settings, and if you would like to accomplish that operation, tap reset settings again. And connection settings have been reset, so everything went well. You can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.